What up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. Me say people, me have to share this video with the Prettiidon team. So she go to do it for go build a split and she out. Then a peer shot she hear a fire in the neighborhood. Then she run for your life. Me say people, the video funny. Me say people now for watch this video for themselves. I remember for like up the video. And remember to subscribe to the channel as well if you not subscribe yet.
I know I'm back at me cause boy.
Oh Jesus! That's repeat me though.
The one them, me lose my blood clot belly. Me even go piss because see if no blood come down.
Then you not tell me say that's your belly what there. Make up
I lie me that till I show more I'm baby father back. Me say live, me have seen for tell you no. Me have seen for tell you no. Only day over here a while ago, me and baby father live. Eh? Who did over here? Who need over here? Huh? After I live done now, me say me I go to do go burn one spliff and you know, go on easy. When me go to do the rascal. Eternal root, say my blood clot roots, say the body's roots, but it place. Nobody can tell me nothing. You need to come link, me need to talk to you. Call me time I done live. Me need to talk to you. You know you are my herbalist, I need to talk to you. Yeah. But alright. You tell me now, me traumatized the fuck dog. Me show you a thing. See, I know so a while ago, me and my baby father live. So me and him did live here a minute, we don't play too much. You know? We just a easy. We just a chill. So after the match done, me say me I go out the door, go burn and spliff because I not really smoking in my house. You know them way there? It's not really sanitary.
Pause a little bit, pause. You who?
My baby father.
Cargo?
Yeah. Right. So, me and him a play a match, right? You know, me I flirt up and feel good. So, me feel lovely. After the match done, so me say me I go out the door, go and hold a calm sea, burn a spliff. Me say, Cargo, remember we bad long time, you know? Long time we bad. Me say Cargo, Cargo call me name. Me mean, Arthur. I hear some gunshot ring out. You say, Arthur, Jesus Christ, me drop everything out of my blood clot and me hear rum. All my brother run out of the room. I say, oh, what? Me stunned to blood clot nearly faint. If shot did for flight, kiss me rascal. I say, Arthur, me fully traumatized. Me just get up off the ground. Lock my window. Me lock my the window can't save me, but I mean, bumbo clot, bro. Me not even living in Garrison in a Father Hollandale Beach. Me live like for real. Like, so when me hear the room, me I tell us a whole heap of room back and then one another room you fuck.
I craft out the room. Me think I craft out the room.
No, me grab all me don't know me. When me grab my head, me stun. So, me the kind of scared come in our house a little bit, like, you know? Blood clot. What? Jordan me so near, like, I write this, me I say, yo.
How about did that room off?
Me no go out there, after you know, me say, me lock me door, me window, blinds every blood clot thing. Me no
God. For G, we're full of chats up on the internet, you know, for you run, you know.
You run?
When you hear room, you feel room back.
Me never have my gun for me. I know me house, my gun, me still say.
Oh yeah, listen to me. If I listen to me, Dad, these days you cannot left you if you walk with your mouth so you can't.
I now up right in my yard, me there. Panic watch me, you normally play a match. Me say me go out there if you go burn a one spliff. Then me your room, be a room you fuck.
Let me ask you a question.
Ask
When
me.
you were out there, was the book out there?
No, me hear the book then come before.
So the book never out there when I was out there.
You want me look out there and see if police come?
Hey, nobody go out there.
No go out there. Cause, no go out there, no Joe.
No go out there.
Cause what if they not done? Cause me hear one car engine out there, truck line in a move yet.
Why, Dad? Put your seat inside of your panny bed.
Call Uno if anything Uno see. I hear.
Put your seat inside of your panny bed and put one in her head.
You there, yes, already.
Okay, good. Good. You're alright then. You're alright.
Yeah, but remember now, what if I two of them? Me not tell you, me marks, you know, but me no know.
But then,
If pressure take you.
come out, Marks, so you hand off him, Marks.
Yeah, but when pressure take you a different pipe, you know.
No, you got to stay calm. It's just like when you're having cargo, baby, you got to breathe.
A while ago when he shot them on fire, me never calm. So me not think me a calm with it. Me say, hey, cargo,
Otto. Oh, Jesus. Them frightened my friend. Jesus Christ, they shot my friend. Oh,
hey,
God.
after me I tell you, say the whole of my heart traumatized.
Oh, God. Oh, my. Boy, if your cargo make you sleep over tonight.
In that England.
Why? Dad, come here.
Me have two of my bad man friend them, me I go make them sleep around you tonight.
One
call
panic
me the
out when one
Marines.
asleep, one turn up high door, so when
Actually, I come, so
then
two
your
upper
shit.
patrol, two upper patrol when one asleep.
Yeah.
In these times, you have a dog them a patrol.
Yeah.
Me call the dog them a while ago, I told them how scared I was. Them must say me kill it. Where say? The dog them a laugh, but still them understand me shockness. I'm shocked yet.
Oh
Even
my
the
God.
Arthur, you could have hear say straight catch me, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus, Dad, don't cry. Dad, you cannot give so much internet panic, so much chat on the internet and I cry,
Oh
come.
my God. My baby not even
Oh,
born yet.
Jesus, Dad.
My baby not
Dad,
even
when you
born
hear
yet.
room, you should have room back, come. I say go, Dad. When you get a mouth like yours, then I say go, oh shit, don't feel now, you're not I first one for here, room. Then one day, let me let them feel better. Then one day I was in Jamaica and I was at home sleeping one night and we had someone in the house that they wanted. Not me, no, and not my mother and thing. But then I was home sleeping. And when I went in the night, I hear room, zoom. Then I said I was sleeping on a airbed that night. And my mother was side of me. Then I want to tell you, say when I hear some, then I turn hear that in my house. Same like when I say I turn hear that now. I hungry hear them a zeal pass over my head. Zoom.
Ask my brother and come see me curl up in a corner like a little puppy. Me hurt. See me with milk a gun in my hand.
No, you have to use the big one. You have to get a big one, Dan.
Me have two, our little one, our big one there, but at the time my little one me catch. And brother, me tremble, yeah, man.
Keep it two of them side there. One over here, so one over here, so one in our head over here, so one in our
And
head
that's
over
the
here.
big one me have now because me realize that when me have a big one, me feel more powerful.
Yeah,
Me feel more.
Dad.
The two,
Yeah.
the little one, scare my cousin. Me say, cuz boy. Me say, dog, if you did run here a while ago, dog. Me say, me go out the door, fi go burn a spliff, because me and my baby father either play too much, and me just say, alright, then to me feel so lovely after the match, all body rider me that go put on, you know, me say, alright, go out the door, cuz boy. And me say, me a burn a spliff and feel good like a doll. And me say, father, as me go out the cuz boy, me hear rum. Me say like a heavy thing in Lego. Heavy thing.
How much
And
room?
then one time in room, me hear one time he look like that done. He's like he walk round funny boy again. I go say, rum. Me say, cuz boy, me shock. Me say, me drop and shoot in my house back way. Right now when me back at me cuz boy.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, that's
Me want them,
repeat me
I want
though.
them. The other time, me lose my blood clot belly. Me didn't even go piss because see if no blood come down.
Then you not tell me say that share belly what they are. Make up
I
your
me
mind.
that. I me that till I show my baby father back.
Yo, Prettiidon, what you doing?
They shoot up round and me leave and me just in a shock. Because me live in a white people area. Me never
Arthur, what go on, bro? Big up in
Me
Arthur.
live in a white people area. So
Love
me never
yourself,
did
bro.
really come around every ear and a gunshot.
No.
And me say, whatever go every bunny split, me think I was going to be the ghetto one here. And me I tell her, say, shoot it. As me go so put his cliff on my mouth, me even know where his cliff there. Jesus.
Tell him what your ear.
All me hear a room. I just hear it's like Jesus.
What the blood clot you said to me?